I am Ghulam Shahid, working in Central Mine Planning and Design Institute, Ranchi. I am father of Rayyan Shahid, who is a student of FIITJEE Ranchi, and she is my wife, Aisha Shahid. She is a homemaker. My son Rayyan Shahid enrolled in FIITJEE Ranchi in the year 2016 in the 3-year classroom program. My choice of FIITJEE was because of my elder son Salman Shahid, who also studied in FIITJEE Ranchi in 4-year classroom program, and he performed quite well from FIITJEE Ranchi, and he is presently studying in BITS Pilani and is having BTech Computer Science. We enrolled Rayyan in FIITJEE Ranchi in class 10th because we were aware that there are lots of competitive exams and Olympiads which are to be cleared in class 10th itself, like Olympiads like Junior Science Olympiad, NTSC, etc. It was one of the best institutes available for us with all our limitations in this eastern region of India. FIITJEE Ranchi, or I can say FIITJEE as a whole itself, has a system which suits best to the students who are vying for JEE Advanced and other Olympiad and other competitive exams. The faculties available at FIITJEE Ranchi are excellent. The system of FIITJEE, like the test series, the phase tests, all India test series, AI square TS, etc. The FIITJEE study material all help Rayyan to perform well in his competitive exams and Olympiads. Right from the beginning, I noticed his performance continually improved, and after every phase, his performance was better than the earlier one. This all resulted in Rayyan qualifying right from the beginning for a regional maths Olympiad, for NTSC phase 1 and phase 2, stage 1 or stage 2. He also qualified for International Maths Olympiad Training Camp in year 2017. In the year 2016 itself, he qualified to appear for Indian National Junior Science Olympiad and was selected for International Junior Astronomy Olympiad camp, which was held in Calcutta. Thereafter, in the year 2018, Rayyan qualified for KVPY Stage 2 for class 11. He was also selected for International Maths Olympiad Training Camp in the year 2018. When he was in class 12, he qualified for NSEC and NSEA and appeared for INCHO and INAO. He was finally selected for INAO training camp, which was held in the year 2019. In the year 2018, Rayyan was selected to appear for Asian Pacific Maths Olympiad, and he appeared for that and won bronze medal in APMO in the year 2018. So all these achievements by Rayyan was because of FIITJEE, and I noticed that after every phase his performance improved, and I could very well say that FIITJEE system and FIITJEE's faculties and staff all helped him in his performance, improving every day. The teachers, the staff of FIITJEE were all very supportive. FIITJEE had a system where they can have a backup arrangement for every eventuality, whatever it may be. I must say that joining early at FIITJEE helped me to make me aware of all the things which are happening around me, like in the form of any competitive exams, Olympiads, etc. regarding his JEE Advanced preparation, I can say that FIITJEE has a very good system. Like after just JEE Main, students who had potential of performing good in JEE Advanced were asked to straight away start preparation for JEE Advanced. They were asked to report to FIITJEE Center every day for test series exams. Past All India test series papers were given to them to solve it. One thing I would like to add that the journey for FIITJEE started from my son in the year 2016 when he appeared for FTRE, scoring a rank of 24 in FTRE with a zero fee enrollment in FIITJEE, and from right there his journey is almost over now with number of rewards which FIITJEE gave him on the basis of FIITJEE reward scheme, which is quite encouraging for the child. FIITJEE reward scheme is an additional motivation for the child. So every parent must be aware of different reward scheme of FIITJEE, right from FTRE to other FIITJEE rewards for every exam, every Olympiad on which they appear. I am very much thankful to FIITJEE and the FIITJEE system, which is improving every day, and FIITJEE is always there to help you, to any student. Even the parents can interact with the FIITJEE faculty and the FIITJEE staff for any help which they require from FIITJEE. So I once again thank FIITJEE for their contribution in shaping my child's future. Thank you very much.
मैं थैंक यू कहना चाहूँगी FIITJEE को, यहाँ के फैकल्टीज़ को, FIITJEE सिस्टम्स को, जिसकी वजह से आज रैयान ने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस किया. थैंक यू सो मच.